Hi, I'm Blake from Bestop, here to walk you through the all-new Trektop NX. What we did is we took all of your favorite features and made them better, more user-friendly, and improved fit and function. One of the things you're really going to love about the Trektop NX is the improved Sunrider operation over the original Trektop NX. The Sunrider has been improved so that now you can easily operate it from the front seat of your four-door Jeep. Using a proprietary linkage, the improved Sunrider moves the fabric out of the way while you operate it so you don't have to. The new Sunrider Mechanism retains the support you know from the Trektop NX to prevent water pooling on the top, but folds out of the way automatically so you have nothing but blue sky overhead when you operate it. We listened to your feedback and made the fit and function of the top our priority. We've borrowed some of the technology from the Trektop NX Glide and removed the zippers at the top of the quarter windows, making the install much easier for you. We've also added the Fit System, a spring-loaded bow that makes sure your top fits right every time. The Trektop NX is available now in black diamond vinyl, and with a lifetime warranty available in premium black twill. Also coming soon, look for the Trektop NX in 5 new color options: Oak Tan, Pebble Beige, Granite Gray, Crushed Red Pepper, and Navy Blue. Thanks for watching this quick walkthrough of the Trektop NX. You can check out bestop.com for all the details.